this is my first attempt at making a video, but I'm going to do an example here of long division, and we've got 2x cubed minus x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now, the thing about this problem is that you need to notice it jumps from x cubed to just a single x, so we need to add in a 0x squared because you need to account for all powers in descending order. Now, some problems you won't have to do that, others you will. You just need to check to see which powers are there. So to do long division, we're going to write x minus 2 outside, and then inside the division box we're going to put 2x cubed plus 0x squared minus x plus 2. And so we look at the first terms. We've got x and 2x cubed, and we ask ourselves, what times x would give us 2x cubed? Well, that's going to be 2x squared. And we write that up at the top. So you multiply and say 2x squared times x is 2x cubed, and then 2x squared times negative 2 is negative 4x squared. And we're going to draw a line and subtract. And I always put parentheses around what I'm subtracting because I want to be sure I distribute that x across the entire polynomial there. So the first two terms are going to cancel. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0, and that should always cancel. If it doesn't, you've not multiplied by the right term at the top. And then 0 minus negative 4x squared is going to be a positive 4x squared because that's just the same as saying 0 plus 4. So then bring down the next term, the negative x, and we're going to repeat that process all over again. So now we look at the x and the 4x squared, and we say what times x gives us 4x squared? Well, that's going to be 4x, so put that at the top, and then we say 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times negative 2 is negative 8x. So then again, draw your line and subtract. The first two terms are going to cancel, and we've got negative 1x minus negative 8x. So that's the same as saying negative 1 plus 8, or that's going to be 7x. Bring down the 2. Alright, so we're going to repeat this process one more time and say what times x would give me 7x? That's going to be 7. So we write plus 7 at the top, and then we're going to multiply again. So 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. And again, we will subtract. So 7x minus 7x cancels. 2 minus negative 14 is a positive 16. Now, 16 is going to be our remainder. Had that been a 0, then this problem would not have had a remainder, and this at the top would have been your final answer. But since it does have a remainder, the way you treat that is you're going to put plus 16 over x minus 2. And that is going to be your final answer using long division. Now in the next video I'm going to do this same problem using synthetic division.